Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will unbox the scratch notes, plus I will give you a quick review. So first let's unbox it. I have finished unboxing. So let's see it. But before seeing, I will tell you what is the cost. So the cost of these scratch notes is rupees 50. With these scratch notes, you will get a wooden pencil. So this is the wooden pencil. Let's see what is inside. Inside of it, you will find black color papers. Total there are 8 black papers. So now how you can use it? You just have to take this wooden pencil and you can just scratch to write anything, or you can scratch to draw anything. Okay, I'm showing you a bit. See, like this you will do. Whatever you draw or whatever you write, beautiful colors will appear by its own. So from where you can find these scratch notes and from where you can buy it. So these scratch notes are available in shops as well as online shopping. So I buy this from Melas. These are also available in any Melas, plus shops and plus online. Few links I will give in the description. You can surely check out. Still now I didn't wrote or I didn't draw anything still now. So yep, whenever I will draw anything, I will surely share it with you all. Yesterday I also bought few stationery items. So day by day my stationery collection is becoming much bigger. So if you want to see my full stationery collection, then do comment below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye bye and take care. Thanks for watching.